welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner. Awesome car, guys. This car is beautiful. Factory F8 green car. You can see it's got the black hood, performance hood treatment stripe on it. It's got the dust trail stripe on the side. It's got the factory green deluxe interior in it. Factory 383 car, guys, but it's actually got a healthy 440 in it now that really hits a lick. Mopar Performance cam. It's got a 4-speed manual trans in it. 323 sure grip rear end, 8 3/4 sure grip rear end. An awesome car, man. Just a beautiful Roadrunner. Gorgeous paint on it. This is a recent body up restoration. Very nicely done. Other than a couple little things that you can kind of nitpick up, you know, little touch-up marks in the paint, there's not a whole lot to really mess with on this car. Runs and drives excellent. Plenty of power. I wish we didn't have salt all over the roads. This thing will absolutely smoke the tires. Fun car to drive. It is an original RM Roadrunner. Car's out of North Carolina, rock solid North Carolina car. I believe this car's got all the original body panels still on it. You can see the chrome and stainless are very nice. Bumpers are nice. Pretty paint, guys. Really slick F8 green paint. You can see it's got the hood pins. The fit and finish on the car is excellent. You see the glass is nice. That dash is nice in there. Pop-out windows work. That rear glass is in excellent shape, which is saying something. It's not easy to get those. Really pretty car. There's a little touch-up mark there. You see this thing is just laser straight down the sides. Nice set of BF Goodrich Radial TAs with the factory rallies all the way around it. Good sounding dual exhaust. It's got Flowmasters. Look how nice and straight the sides are. And look how pretty that paint is. Whoever painted this car did an outstanding job. Yeah, I saw a couple little touch-up marks here. I love the dust trail stripe. This car's just got a great look to it. Bottom of the car's nice and clean. I wish we had some sunshine on this car, man. It's pretty. Again, healthy 440, factory 383 car, so they've upgraded it to the 440. It's got you can see the high-rise aluminum intake on it. Nice set of hooker headers, power steering. It's got the stock manual brakes. It has been upgraded to. It's got an XL coil, 4-speed manual trans, Mopar radiator with the shroud. And I'll tell you, man, we fired this thing up, man. This thing sounds good. Factory F8 green car. Nice car, guys. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. I've probably got 10, maybe 12 cars actually coming still. So make sure you keep track of that. You're keeping track of that website. I'll try to get them advertised just as fast as I can. Original 8-pillar chrome, and that's very nice, guys. Original mirror, nitpick it a little bit. Definitely got new door handles on it. You can see how nice the window door fuzzies and door rubbers are. There's your door tag. Love the two-tone deluxe interior. It's got the factory bench seat. Dash is super nice. Got the Hurst pistol grip shifter. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts. Seats are very nice, very comfortable. It's a gorgeous car. Factory tach and gauges, 64,823. That is the original miles on the car. It's got aftermarket radio, that works. I mean, I think everything. I know the parking brake works, the beep beep horn works. Again, dual exhaust. It's got an 8 3/4 323 sure grip in it, so you can get on the expressway and cruise. And like I say, when we fire this thing up, it's got plenty of power, guys. Factory jack with spare. It's got, I'm not real sure what happened to the mat in here. It's got kinds of little holes in it. But you can see it's got the original trunk floor in it, original quarter panel still in it. This is a great car, man. It's nice and clean underneath. It's not overdone underneath. Definitely something built to drive. How slick that paint is down the sides. Get little touch-up marks there. Even the headrests are really nice. The steering wheel looks like brand new. Gauges are nice and clear. Good looking car. This thing just hits a lick, man. Nice little cam to it. Gonna get a little rev maybe. And I'll tell you guys, this thing will absolutely eat the tires up. Parking brake does work. Check your parking brake there, Nathan. It does work. The light works. Tach's functional. I think all your gauges are working. Good oil pressure. Backup lights work. Thing gets its R's quick, and this thing runs, man. Flip your radio on. Radio works. Put it reverse. The reverse light works. Blower motor does work, guys. I think that's a 3-speed wiper motor too, isn't it? Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram, our Facebook page, our YouTube page. Or as always, the old-fashioned way, guys, you can pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.